RHS Pre-Calculus presents How to Slay a Dragon Using Triangle Trig. Goal: to solve a right triangle with trig identities. How to slay your dragon using right triangle trig identities. Once upon a time, Sir Humphrey's significant other was trapped in a tall tower, guarded by a vicious dragon that clung to the roof. Luckily, Sir Humphrey had his trusty laser cannon, but he needed to find out the angle at which to fire the laser in order to properly slay the vile beast. Now it just so happened that Humphrey knew that his current location was 20 meters from the base of the tower. And according to the castle blueprints, the tower was 50 meters high and was perpendicular to the ground. But unfortunately for Sir Humphrey, he did not know how to solve a right triangle using trig identities. This left him at a disadvantage when confronted by a certain large and hungry reptile.
When dealing with right triangles, the trig identities state that sine of theta equals the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Cosine of theta equals the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. Tangent of theta equals the opposite side over the adjacent side. Cosecant of theta equals the hypotenuse over the opposite side. Secant of theta equals hypotenuse over the adjacent side. And cotangent equals the adjacent side over the opposite side. Sir Humphrey should have taken the information he knew, the distance from the tower, the adjacent side, and the height of the tower, the opposite side, and used the tangent trig identity to find the angle of trajectory. He could have set up an equality with the tangent of the angle equal to the height of the tower divided by the distance between the tower and himself. Tan theta equals height of tower divided by distance of tower. Then he should substitute the values he knows. Tan theta equals 50 meters over 20 meters. Then, using a calculator, he should take the arctan, or inverse tangent, of both sides to isolate theta. Arctan of tan theta equals arctan of 50 meters divided by 20 meters.
From this, Sir Humphrey would have known that he needed to fire his laser cannon at an angle of approximately 68 degrees from the ground in order to incinerate the dragon with its powerful beam. Now, though Sir Humphrey failed in his quest to rescue his loved one, his tale of failed heroics lives on as a reminder to all about how important it is to know and understand how to solve a right triangle using trigonometric identities. So fear not the next time you are confronted by this kind of situation. Just remember brave Sir Humphrey and ready that laser cannon, because with trig identities on your side, your significant other need never fear for their life again. In loving memory of Sir Humphrey.